If you were looking for instructions on how to install the bottled ink for the specific Epson printer that is here on the screen, then stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video. And so there's not going to be any problems with you using the product. So as you can see, the way you install these ink bottles is you take the ink bottle, you open up the cap, and then you're going to open up also the compartment for the specific color. Make sure you're matching up the ink bottle with the specific ink color. Now with these remanufactured bottles, very simple, very easy. You're just flipping upside down and you're placing it in the ink compartment so it can fill up the ink tank. Now this is where we're going to use the Epson branded ink bottle, and so you're most likely going to receive this ink when you first buy the printer, so you need to know how to install these ink bottles. Now these ink bottles have a specific pattern on them, and that ensures that you don't put the wrong color in the wrong nozzle. And so you see the difference here with the remanufactured ink versus the Epson ink. That nozzle at the tipping point is going to be a little bit different. The Epson bottle has that pattern on it and the remanufactured ink does not. So other than that, no major differences. It's the same ink once again. It's just a little bit different marketing. And so you're going to flip that upside down, make sure it fits over the nozzle. And if you need to move it up and down, just whatever you do, don't squeeze the bottle. There's no need to do that. You simply are going to adjust it until ink starts to flow from the bottle down into the ink tank. All right, so there's going to be a link down in the description below for the remanufactured ink I used in this video. Continue on with the setup process with the Epson EcoTank 4800, and you are going to have good results if you follow along, following the instructions in this video, along with any other instructions you get from the Epson Smart Panel app or any user manuals that you are using to install the ink and to set up this printer. I'm happy to announce that Best Printers is now selling compatible ink for your printer. There's going to be a link for it down in the description below. But this is the same exact dye-based ink as the Epson ink bottles. You're going to get the same high quality prints with this ink. The biggest difference is this ink is going to be a lot less expensive. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe.